Hello TikTok creators, it is Dolunay here, and today I'm thrilled to explore some top-notch strategies for creating faceless content on TikTok in 2024. Are you ready to learn how you can make a splash without ever showing your face? Let's dive in and discover the magic of anonymity on this platform. With people from all over the globe choosing to keep their privacy intact while still making viral videos, this approach has gained significant traction. Whether it is ACMR, crafts, or even pet videos, you can create engaging content without stepping in front of the camera. I mean, not doing what I'm exactly doing right now. Now, let's talk about benefits. Firstly, TikTok Creator Fund pays real cash to creators based on video views. No face needed. Plus, even without showing yourself, your account becomes a brand. You can still sell merchandise, promote affiliate links, or promote online courses. And yes, brand collaborations are still on the table. Going faceless doesn't mean you can't promote products or services effectively. Niche 1, ACMR. Now you see on the screen great examples of faceless ACMR channels. You have probably seen this kind of video before. The greatest part is you don't have to bother yourself with finding ideas, writing scripts, doing advanced video production, or advanced editing. Wait, those are all the things I did for this video? Maybe I should start an ACMR channel. Plus, you won't only get views from English speakers, you will attract viewers from all over the world because it is language free. I definitely recommend getting a great microphone because sound quality has to be top notch. You can just type ACMR microphones into Google and hit the shopping section. You will see plenty of options depending on your budget, ranging from $10 to $1,000. And of course, you will need some inspiration as well, right? What you're gonna do when you grab the microphone. But it's easy. All you need to do is create your ACMR account on TikTok and start following other ACMR channels to get inspired. Then you will surely come up with an idea. The reason I suggest creating your ACMR account is that engaging with similar content increases the likelihood of your content being visible to similar audiences. But let's save the algorithm tricks for another video. Okay, first I open Filmora and then hit microphone button right here. If you have an external microphone connected to your computer, click here and select your microphone to record a voiceover. Then I choose where to save it and select a countdown of 3 seconds. And now I'm recording my voice. Let me act like I'm doing an ACMR session. Now I've stopped. You can hit again and continue recording like this. Now I hit OK and I can see my voice here. It's good, but let's add some spice on it. I hit Effects, click on Audio Effects and Audio Visualization. And let's select one from here. For example, I selected this one, drag and drop it over my voice recording, extend it a little bit, and let's listen to it. And now I'm recording my voice. Let me act like I'm doing an ACMR session. Niche 2, arts and crafts. For example, let's look at this page. It is amazing how people love watching the process rather than just the results. When they see the process, they become curious about what the final product will look like. So they wait for the end of the video. And it is so easy to film this type of video. Okay, let's break things down. For this type of video, all you need to do is set your phone somewhere and hit record. Just craft your art. If you want to invest in it, you can buy a tripod and put your phone on it, which allows you to capture any angle you want easily. Once you finish recording, upload your clip to Filmora and start cutting the unnecessary scenes. It may take 30 minutes to finish this craft, but you need to show it just in seconds. Yes, otherwise viewers get bored. For example, I uploaded my clip and I come to the part where I think it is unnecessary. I hit the scissors icon, move a bit further to the part I want to show. I hit scissors again, then select the frame in between and hit delete, and done. You can also pick a specific frame, hit speed, and then you can increase the speed like this. Now the first frame is 5 times faster. Niche number 3, cooking and baking. Take a look at this amazing page. As we discussed in previous niche, people love watching the process. So you can cook, you can bake, and show them how it's done. Okay, but how you can really film this? Well, it's a bit harder than the previous niche, but don't worry. The next next one is gonna be the easiest, because you may need to change angles if you want to make a video like this. To keep it simpler, you can find one angle and record everything from here. However, it is always better to film from multiple angles to keep your audience engaged with your video. To do this, you can use a tripod. And niche 4, book and film reviews. And here we come to the easiest one, thanks to Filmora AI. Let's take a look at this video together. And also let's take a look at that video got over 100k views.
Hi, this is Steve's Honest Movie Reviews in under 60 seconds, and now we've got 2021's Infinite. This is really well made. You can tell a lot of money went into this, and it looks and sounds brilliant.
Okay, first, you need a script. Second, you need a voice to read the script. Third, you need videos to be displayed on the screen. Let me show you how to do all of them with Filmora's AI. Okay, let's open Filmora. First, I find AI copywriting. Then I select video oral script and input my prompt. I want you to review the film Fight Club. This will be a TikTok video. Keep it under 60 seconds. Be friendly and entertain while explaining. Then I select English as the output language. Note that there are more than 20 languages you can use, and it is time to generate. As you can see, it is done. Amazing. Now we need the video itself and a voiceover, but don't worry. I come to the Filmora homepage again and hit AI text to video. Paste my script, choose the language as English, and we have many male and female voices over here. Let's select area. And because the video is for TikTok, we need a vertical video, so I select 9:16 and hit text to video. Let's wait a little bit and come back. Great, I'm back, and look at this amazing work. Thanks to Filmora AI, they did all the work for me. Let's watch it together.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about one of my all-time favorite movies, Fight Club. If you haven't seen it yet, you're definitely missing out. First off, let's talk about the incredible performances by Brad Pitt and Edward Norton. These two actors absolutely nailed their roles, and their chemistry on screen is just mind-blowing. The plot, oh my goodness, it's full of unexpected twists and turns that will leave you on the edge of your seat the whole time. And the message behind the film is so thought-provoking and relevant even today. The cinematography and direction are top-notch, and the soundtrack is just killer. I swear, every time I watch this movie, I notice something new, and it just keeps getting better and better. If you're into action, drama, and deep storytelling, Fight Club is definitely a must-watch. Trust me, you won't be disappointed, so grab some popcorn, get comfy, and prepare to have your mind blown by this incredible film. Let me know what you think after you watch it. See you in the next video.
As you can see, the video is ready to go. If you want, you can change subtitles, pictures, or anything else. It is up to your creativity. Imagine creating hundreds of videos every day with this insane AI. Mind-blowing. Alright, let's move on to the niche number 5, pet and animal videos. Take a look at this channel with millions of followers. This is a great space because you can collaborate with a bunch of different pet brands out there. In this niche, you can do 3 things. First, you can film your own pets. Second, you can ask your followers to share their pets and publish those videos. And third, you can find animal videos and share them with your own sound and captions. Now we have come to our last niche, travel. For example, this page does not create its own content, but the owner is a great editor. Here is how you can do the same. First, go to YouTube and find a YouTube video, making sure you are eligible to post their content. Then download the video and open Filmora. Find a great piece of content, cut it and turn it into a vertical format. And that's it. Now you have a clip that you can post on TikTok. And there you have it, 6 amazing faceless video niches that you can start today, all using Filmora and its AI features. Dive into the creator's world without showing your face, but by showcasing your creativity. Until next time, keep creating and stay brilliant.